Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 24th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing just 1 point up move at the level of 11,595 and US markets have done pretty okay for itself, 145.34 points up on Dow Jones and Nasdaq up by 105 points and 25 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. Yesterday, Indian markets opened all the way up. However, it actually cooled down because of a slide in the because of a cap which US markets have actually put on Indian markets to stop all the oil imports from Iran, and we are not supposed to import any oil from Iran. That's one of the reasons the market slid all the way down, and the weakening dollar the weakening rupee towards with respect to dollar, and one more issue, that is the oil issue, took the market more downer from here onwards. Usually when the technical analysis indicators define or show that the market is in a overbought zone, usually market actually finds a reason to come down. That's what usually happens. Let us see what the indicators are actually looking, and MACD is showing that we don't have any momentum left, 105.61, and exponential shows that we are at the level of 132. So it means that we are not having any momentum in the market. Slow stochastic show that we are at 29 levels. We are almost at the oversold zone, so we may shoot up from here. Fast stochastic is at 8.74, so we are already in a oversold zone as of now according to the fast stochastic. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for? There are multiple supports as of now, multiple resistances as of now. We are at the level of 11,576. Below that 11,550 and 11,533 and 11,500 levels, 11,486 levels and 11,477, 11,450, 11,425 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for. If the market has to come more downer, then 11,400 itself and 11,382, 11,346 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. What are the resistances we have to watch? 11,643 levels and 11,662 levels and 11,695 levels and 11,714 levels, 11,430 levels and 11,760 levels. Above that, the resistances are 11,786 levels and the all-time high of 11,860 levels are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for in today's session. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis this Saturday and Sunday. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.